Okay, good evening. Welcome to the halftime show. This is John Yu or Umi Trader. So every Wednesday we do our halftime show where we talk about all the movers for the week. Okay, so top gainers, top losers. Is it news based or ano nangyari dun sa company? Why did it go up so much? And then it's basically a recap of the first 3 days of the market. So it's all technical based. There's no stock recommendations here. It's just here to inform you guys or update you guys on what's happening around us. I mean, what's happening in the stock market. If you're not updated, if you have a day job, if you're not always looking at the market, this is the best avenue to stay updated. Okay, so I'm gonna start off by looking at the PSEI chart. So for the week, it's been surprisingly very, very strong, no? So this is the PSEI chart. I'll try to draw this. I uploaded this sa profile ko kanina. So we can see this triangle and the PSEI broke out of this long consolidation. See this one, long consolidation here, and then umakyat, boom. Okay, so here. So we can see a 3-day burst, breakout, bam, 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 bam. And then it was led by, I think, Metrobank, Jollibee, and all the blue chips. So we will talk about them one by one. Okay, so here, last week, pinag-usapan ko sa premium charting, sabi ko, last week, actually, or dito, sabi ko, it's good that we can see the PSCI move above the 50-day MA here. So it hovered around above the 50-day MA, above the 10-day MA, and above the 20-day MA. And true enough, it followed through. May follow through tayo dito ngayon. Okay? So what are the top stocks that moved? Okay? So we'll start with the blue chip companies. We saw it. We saw Jollibee break out. This was the breakout of this big range. Okay? So we saw it break out here. And then moving higher. So anong reason nun? Reason nun, I read on the news that Smash Burgers 5 years straight, merong strong sales amid the pandemic. And then they're planning to increase their stake to Tim Ho Wan. So after 5 or 7 years, they can buy the franchise out. So that's one of the positive news. So laki ng breakout na to. So from the breakout price, it's almost 20% to the high. So it was followed. It was Metrobank was actually going up from the start pa lang, but this was unnoticed. So from last week pa lang, from the bottom, it's been rallying up. But this bank kasi, ito na yung last na nag-rally. Okay? So another top gainer would be BPI. So today, BPI was closed, forced close up, meaning during the close, may nag-bid up ng price. So from 73, naging 76 or 75.8. So that's a big jump. So nakita mo to, grabe. And in just 2 days, you could have earned more than 13, almost 13% on a blue chip stock. So if you've just invested or been active for the past 3 days or just Monday, laki ng kinita mo dapat. GT Capital, I felt this rally last Monday also. The surge is almost 15%. So we can see the PSEI rallying. So what is the reason why? Maybe because of di ba sinabi nila we're gonna open up, pwede na mag-travel, di ba? Yan, yung ganun. So that's why we saw Cebu Pacific move. It popped. PAL Holdings, yan, nag-pop yan. Itong day na to, yan yon. Tapos, next day, nag-follow through. Pero kanina, bumagsak sa profit taking. So, we saw PAL also. This is Cebu Pacific. We saw PAL go up. Nag-pop, grabe. So, from 580, it went up almost 50% to the high. Pero medyo illiquid ng PAL. So, we saw also Macro Asia, which is the catering services of Philippine Airlines. ito, top din to, from that news. So closing ngayon 13%, pero pag sa high almost 20%. So we saw that. So syempre na-excite yung mga tao. So may excitement, so medyo mas napabilis yung bili. Tapos nag-settle down. So now we can see pullback from PAL, Cebu Pacific, Macro Asia. Yan. So baka nagkaroon ng konting excitement, ganyan. So nothing's yet super sure, but we don't know if you're gonna travel. Are you gonna travel? I'm not gonna travel. So better ask yourself that question first before buying. Oh, bili tayo ng Cebu Pacific moving forward. Maybe it's cheap now, but what will happen? Because everything is uncertain in the future, so we don't know what will, what can happen tomorrow, di ba? So another mover will be the favorite of everyone. Last Friday, PXP announced that I'm sorry, the President Duterte announced that malilift na yung ban on mining. So nagsealing to. Sealing, first sealing, second sealing, kapon, nung Tuesday, bumagsak sa kanina, nag-bullish engulfing candle. So maraming gusto bumili pa. So they see an upside. But ang laki ng inakyat nito. So from 5, 100%, 112% up. Okay? So, well, if tuloy naman talaga, siguro it's possible to go back to 14 pesos or around that time when they were talking about drilling that area. It was around here, 14 bucks. At the peak, it went all the way to 19. So maybe yun yung na-anticipate ng mga tao na pupunta doon. Diba? Yan. Okay? So, it's all speculation. So also, APX is also part of that area, contested area waters. So this has mining and then that drill. So I think this is a better play. Look at this pullback and then the first green candle, engulfing candle. So you can put your buy here and put your stop at 1.8. Okay, so so yun na isang tip. Okay. So that's how we do it in the premium members. So medyo nasasanay na carried away ako. So we also see Alcor go up today. So blue chip company, yan, turning around, moving above the 10 and 20 DMA, 50 DMA, yan, piercing up. Dami. So we saw Ayala Land, SM Prime moving ahead, moving above those moving averages. So to turn around sila lahat with ADX pa to, SM Prime. But we'll just monitor that for a bit. Axelum, let's check this out. Actually, marami talagang gumalaw this week. So if last week ko pa sinasabi, nung Sunday sinasabi ko sa premium members, keep your eyes open, be alert, okay? So ako kahit napuyat ako sa US trading, I step at 4. I try to wake up before 9 and prepare kasi nga ang daming opportunities. So Ayala Land Logistics, we saw this one. This one's in a range. Okay, in that range, and then it broke out at 2.7 kanina. So, and then we have an ADX of 40, and then MACD crossing up, breaking out. This is called a blue sky breakout. So what do we expect here? Maybe tomorrow we expect it to move higher. Logistics, okay, so everyone's using nagpapadala ng gamit because everyone's at home. So I don't see why this will not benefit from it. Okay, if I show you a chart of FedEx in the USA, take a look at what happened to FedEx in the USA. From COVID started and nag-start yung COVID dito sa $90. Now it's at $290. So it's up 226%. Buong time may COVID doon. Okay? UPS also, that logistics. So from 90, naging 174. Up 100%. So I don't see why logistics will not benefit from this. Okay, ACE also a mover, but maraming, di ba, Ayala, they said, may news, they increased their stake dun sa isang power plant, and then ngayon, yesterday they plan to build another solar power plant, so we can see this trending upwards. There's no clear sign of buy. The last buy was around this area, or the breakout to here. Okay, so it's just trending up. It's above the 10, 20, and 50 MA still. So this is a strong stock. So AGI also, we saw this heavy on buyback. So it consolidated around 7. So this is the best time to enter here at around 7 pesos. And actually, dito may chance ka pa, around 7.3. This is the last buying opportunity. Boom, umakyat. So we can see a lot of stocks now moving above. So this one is strong because of their buyback program. You can see here at the lower right, puro share buyback to, diba? So we tend to like companies who are buying back the owners, where the owners are buying back the shares of the company. Okay. We saw Home move today. So I don't know why. One day ago, plans to open 2 more stores, all Home. So yan. So umakyat. So itong clue na to, umakyat sa 10-day, 50-day. So ito na yung clue. Boom. 2 days up 11%. So we will be watching this. This is very interesting. Home. Maxes. Biglang humina na today. Malakas yan pero humina. So up pa rin. So to Shakey's. Restaurants are turning around by, I don't know, because of Jollibee, but Jollibee is clearly the leader here. So if you want to invest out of these, all of these, Pizza, Maxes, Jollibee talaga ako. Okay? Mary Mart pulled back. Ganda ng chart dito. 2 days ago, Monday, nagkaroon ng big red candle. Above pa rin ng support. Above pa rin siya ng mga moving averages. But you can see this will not run away because the ADX is below 20. There is no momentum yet. That's why we can see it go sideways. And then, nahihirapan magkaroon ng burst pataas because of the ADX. Okay? It's just below 20. Anything below 20 is low on ADX, so we can see it talagang pulling back to the support or going back into the range, not pulling away. So that's a natural move. So there. We saw ito LSC move today. So yeah, may volume pero medyo manipis pa rin kahit may volume. So we can see a big range. So kailangan hinay-hinay lang. ATN pulling back. This is also a penny stock. So actually, there's no need to trade these stocks when you have the other ones, the blue chips move. So now we can see the banks rallying. So here also you can see this rally break dito sa 89 area, yun yung buy. So late ako, bumili ako kahapon. So ngayon, third day na, yan. So we can see it reversing, okay? So tagal na rin itong nananahimik, so we can see it do that move. So exciting times, no? So start of the bear months, October, malapit mag-Christmas. This is actually what we've been waiting for the longest time. So judging by the index, now it broke out after a 3-day breakout na ganito. We are looking for a pullback contest, slight pullback, and then we have the opportunity to get in the stocks that we want, that we missed. If you missed something that you didn't buy, you can wait for the index to slowly pause or have some profit taking. So maybe like this, like that, before moving higher, diba? So, Ferro, meron din Ferro. So this, nickel ba to? FNI, Nickel Asia, yan, nasa taas, nagko-consolidate din sa taas. PX, yan. Also the same chart. This is a buy. Put your stop at 5. Buy at 5.4. Tomorrow. MRC also. Mover. So magkaroon ng range dito. So yeah. Interesting week. I hope that that helped you guys for a little bit update and just a quick refresher of what's happening in the market. Lots of opportunities to make money, so keep your eyes open. I'll see you guys next week, halftime show, and then premium members. I'll see you guys on Sunday. If you want to join me on the premium membership program on my website, you can visit me at johnedwardu.com or email me at boomyuniversity@gmail.com. Thank you for watching. God bless. Ingat pa rin. Wear a mask. Stay at home. God bless you all.